Okay, we're in video number 5, and these will be the selection techniques to be able to select files and place them into a folder. Now remember, the last class we went over a couple of selection techniques, holding the control key down and the shift key down, and we will review those again, and I'm going to show you a couple of more selection techniques if you so choose to think, if you think those are going to be better for you. So let's go to our folder that has the photos in it. So I'm going to the File Explorer, click on File Explorer. I'm going to come up to Documents, click on Documents, and then I'm going to come up here to Photos, Windows 10, and I'm going to double click because that opens up folders and allows us to be able to see the files in the folder. And so we have our photos here, and if we wanted to select the first photo that allows the computer to know, hey, something's going to happen here, that's an action item. Well, if we select the third photo, and we select the fifth photo, and we select the seventh photo, you'll notice what happens here is that as we select each photo, the other photos become deselected. So if we wanted to select multiple photos, that's not going to work for us. So we have a couple of modifiers on our control key that helps us to hold on to the photos that we've selected. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first one. I'm going to hold my control key on my keyboard down, and then I'll select the third one, the fifth one, the ninth one, and a couple others down in here. And then I let go of the control key and take a look at my work, and I see that a number of different photos have been selected. So the control key allows you to hold the photos that you have already selected while you select new photos. Now let's say you wanted to select all the photos in the first row. Well, you still could do it with the control key. You can select that one, and 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 they're all selected. But there's an easier way. You can use the shift key by selecting the first one, and then you hold the shift key down and select the last one, and all the files and photos that you selected between the first and the last one have been selected. And I'm going to deselect those. And there's a couple of other selection techniques that I did not show you. One is called the Control A key on your keyboard. You don't have to do anything with your mouse. All you need to do is hold the control key down and hit A, and you'll notice they're all selected. And to deselect, again, it's the same way. You select away from the actual photos. Now let's say there's another one called the marquee effect. So if you click and hold your mouse down and scroll up and scroll all the way over, you'll notice that it's called a marquee. And if you hold it down and release, you'll see all the photos or files selected. So those are the selection techniques. We added a couple in this video. The next video, what we're going to do is create some folders and use these selection techniques to be able to place these files into a folder. See you in the next video.